In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, launch your keyboard. Now, if you don't have this microphone at the top right corner, click on gear icon first. Select voice typing and enable it thanks to this switcher. You can also enable emojis on toolbar. I will show you what's going on in a second. You will always be able to disable them later on, so don't worry. Tap on microphone. Select while using the app in this pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To stop, tap on the same microphone or simply stop talking. Quick tip, tap on your microphone and select tiny icon right next to it. This one. Now, hit blue button at the bottom right corner. And then enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. If you want to move it around, hold it and drag it. If you want to delete text on the go, use this button with an X. If you enabled the emojis on toolbar I told you before, click on this icon of an emoji and add them. You can close emoji keyboard thanks to this X at the top right corner. If you wish to, you can manage some options by clicking on this icon on the left. Like for example, switch your language, or go into those settings right away. If you want to go back to standard keyboard, click on keyboard icon also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!